Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video we're going to tackle another challenging SAT exam question. Let's get started. How many liters of a 25% saline solution must be added to 3 liters of a 10% saline solution to obtain a 15% saline solution? Before solving this question, we should know the meaning of 25% saline solution. It means that 25% of the solution volume is salt and the remaining 75% is water. So imagine that this is the whole solution, 100%, and 25% is salt and the remaining, which is 75%, is water or other form of liquid. Okay, and we are going to find the amount of 25% saline solution to be added. So you can consider this as X because it is variable. Okay, so we have X liters consists 25% salt and should be added to 3 liters with 10% salt, which gives you in total X plus 3 liters, because the total solution after mixing X and 3 liters will be X plus 3 liters, consists 15% salt. And the next step is that we should represent percentage as decimal numbers. So instead of 25%, 10%, and 15%, we can write it in decimal form, 25 hundredths, 10 hundredths, and 15 hundredths. And now it's time for writing the equation using these numbers. Okay, so 20 hundredths of X liter plus 10 hundredths of 3 liters equals 15 hundredths of X plus 3 liters. And as you can see, the only variable is X. So after simplifying this equation, you would be able to solve for X. Okay, 25 hundredths X plus 30 hundredths equals to 15 hundredths X plus 45 hundredths. We have two terms with X, so you should collect like terms and you can subtract 15 hundredths X from both sides. Okay, so 10 hundredths X plus 30 hundredths gives you 45 hundredths, and then subtract 30 hundredths from both sides to maintain the balance of the equation. So we have this one, and divide both sides by 10 hundredths. So the answer is 1.5 liters. This is the final answer. So you need 1.5 liters of a 25% saline solution to be added. Okay, so this is a really hard, I think, question, and it's better to practice more to be mastered on it. See you in next video. Bye bye.